I've been staring at these boxes for 4, 5, maybe 6 days now. Last piece was delivered yesterday. I'll run through it. Front and center. Yeah, 1950X. Pretty much also front and center. Let's see. It's 3200 question mark. Yeah, 3200. The fatness. It's very fat. 1000 watt. Seasonic gold. Should work. ASRock Tai Chi. I don't fucking know. It's an X399 and it's gonna rip some shit. Hopefully threads. Vardar, Predator. I'd be guessing if I took a stab at the model, I'd say like F120 or something. Try to paint those white. These covers, 120 millimeter. I don't know if you can see the profile on these. It's probably about a millimeter or two. At least that was the idea. They're pretty flush. They're pretty well made. Made by the cooler guys out on the West Coast. If this video ever goes out public, I'll give a link to that site. They're awesome. Only place I could find that had them. G-lid, paste and shit. Primoflex. The dirty white. The tighty whiteys. Alpha Cool. 250 millimeter reservoir. And let's see, it comes with maybe their own variant of the D5 pump. I don't know. Anyway, it's a combo. It's on Newegg. I think I got one of the last units. Hopefully it fucking runs. The graphics card water block. The CPU water block from EK. Just slaying the beast. They got them out faster than anybody else. Maybe XSPC. I think that's their name. Had one, but I'm under the impression these are better quality, and I'm trying to make them look pretty wicked. So, PCIe riser. I was told there have been stability issues with the one that comes with the case. This lets you mount the graphics card vertically in front of the computer. This is the fan controller, Mr. Spleedy. Hello. Yeah. So I think that's it, guys. These came from Mod My Mods. The plan is, the radiator. Yeah. It's the big one. It is the big one. Well, it's not the 80 millimeter width. It's 60. If my shit could focus, I would really appreciate it. Oh my god. Okay. Thanks, Samsung. Yeah. Can't show the front because it's got my address on it. But it's large. It's very fucking large. 480 millimeter will accommodate 4 fans. The idea is that this mounted against the back of the P3 case, which is an open case. Can't see the picture of it now, but maybe I'll throw something up. So it's going to go to the back of the case, coming towards then the radiator, and the fans. These. And out from there, we're going to mount this. And out from there, we're going to mount this. Coming out further, we're going to mount the reservoir. That's the plan. This is, of course, well, I might get to that tonight, but I'm going to have to build it, test it, and however many iterations, and I don't know. I'm not looking forward to that. Hopefully I can do it quickly. Then I'm going to tear it all down and paint it, which I have no experience in whatsoever. Should be fun. we'll see how fast I can get that done. Anyway, been waiting a long time for this. Like, I can't communicate really effectively how excited I am. Oh shit. All this madness is water cooling fittings. Here's the design that I built. I have a whole bunch of crap color coded in the design. I think almost all of them are Barrow. I got them off of performancepcs.com, performance-pcs if I remember correctly, .com. And yeah, so this has been a long time coming. Intel and Nvidia have strangled the consumer with brutal prices for incredibly long. And that's cool. They make good stuff, you know. But this guy's been out, shoot, a month and a half now, question mark, and is slaying, rightly so. It's an enterprise class CPU that goes into a desktop class motherboard. Well, I guess it's enterprise motherboard, at least it can manage this fat monster. So anyway, a comparable Intel NVIDIA system historically would be unbelievably expensive, prohibitively expensive. This guy is considerably cheaper than its similarly performing Intel-based counterpart, like a third of the price, if I remember correctly. I really don't know. It's a monster. And the Radeon, they're getting a bunch of shit. AMD is for marketing. I could care less. I'm going to use it for design and shit. If I have to play awesome games on medium settings instead of high, I guess I'll suffer through that. So, just geeking out 100%. I'm going to open some of these boxes, do a test fit, connect some stuff, figure out how to cut this goofy tubing business, and go from there.